Here I am going to describe a very common remedy, that is alumina. First of all, you should try to know in every medicine the patient is chilly or hot. Alumina is a chilly patient. This is mainly composed of aluminium silicate. One physical symptoms which goes through the entire symptomology of the alumina, that is dryness. So dryness is the keynote symptoms of the alumina. Where there is dryness, you must try to think the alumina. So moist is the contraindication of alumina, and dryness is the keynote symptoms of alumina. There is dryness of all the mucous membrane, dryness of the skin, dryness of the all catral and the various organ, and even the dryness of the skin diseases. Dry catral, a stitching pain, sensation of a stick, a scanty, often acrid discharge, becomes highly concentrated, forming the dry crust, or the natural consequence of the dry cataracts. Whether occurring in the nose, in the throat, in the larynx, in the stomach, or in the rectum. A stomach complaint are worse from the eating potato. So in alumina there is aversion from the potato. Patient does not like to eat potato because after eating the potato some complaint aggravates in the patient. Potato contain normally 3 to 20 milligrams percent, sometimes up to the 43 gram percent solanine. Even when cooked and according to the type of the potato and its preparation, trace of the solanine may remains. Solanine, however, like to the related the alkaloids of the belladonna, produce dryness of the mucous membrane and inhibits the secretion of the stomach. So due to the presence of the solanine in the potato, the nature of the solanine to produce the dryness. So after eating the potato, patients worse from the dryness, and the complaint is also worse from the dryness because alumina is there is dryness and more aggravates the dryness after eating the potato. Besides the mental sphere and the nervous system, such different organs as the pharynx, larynx, stomach, rectum and bladder as a specific pull where the action is more important in the alumina. This is alumina is a aconite of the chronic disease. One thing you should know, where there is acute disease, we must think about the aconite. So as a rule, where there is aconite, there is acute disease, and where there is chronic disease, we must try to think there may be alumina, because most of the family are using the utensil of the aluminium. So due to the eating on the aluminium, due to the cooking in the aluminium, most of the person is suffering from the aluminium effect. So this chronic disease, the production from the chronic disease arise in the human due to the use of the aluminium utensil. There is itching in the whole body, and that itching is worse when the patient is going to sleep. When the patient being on the bed, that time itching worse, like the mercurius. No desire for a stool. There is so many dryness of the mucous membrane. Patient no desire to passing the stool. Patient get more strain during passing the stool. Even the soft stool passes by more strain. So dryness, due to the dryness, the patient is suffering from the constipation. There is inactivity of the rectum. Even the soft stool requires the more strain. In the case of the ladies, the leukorrhea is the main feature of the chronic aluminium. Also in other diseases, there is discharge is acrid, profuse, and the profuseness is just like the leukorrhea is dropping up to the heel, up to the feet. So this type of discharge coming from the passage up to the heel region, think of the alumina. When this discharge is acrid, think of alumina. This medicine is also the chronic of the bryonia, because bryonia is also a medicine where is dryness. No dryness, no bryonia. So due to the dryness of the bryonia, due to the nature of the bryonia, alumina is also a dryness condition. So alumina is the chronic of the bryonia. No sweat at all in the body, in any part of the body. We cannot see the sweat to the patient. So the patient is sweatless. No sweat appear in the body. Mental symptoms is very important of the alumina. There is inability to concentrate, very poor memory, fear of one's impulse to commit suicide, seeing the blood on the knife, one to the suicidal tendency, sensation as if the mind were outside his body. There is one important symptom is also there is dream, and dream is like the thieves. A thief comes in the house and want to search the rooms where there is thieves. According to modalities, alumina is aggravation from the dry weather, aggravation from the cold weather, aggravation in the winter, Ebullition by the wet weather, by the warmth, emulsion while eating, emulsion warm drink, aggravation after menses, aggravation after eating potato, aggravation while eating. The patient is desire for the undigestible substance like the Calcaria card. Patient will want to eat chalk, pencil and undigestible substance which is not for eat purpose. So alumina, we must think first of all when any patient comes from the chronic stage. Second, where there is dryness, we must think the alumina. Where there is no desire to eat potato, we think of alumina. So three important symptoms must be known for the alumina. Number one, dryness of all the mucous membrane of the body. Number two, aversion from the potato. And number three, there is every chronic case must we think alumina. So alumina is a very common remedy. Alumina is a very useful remedy for every homeopath. Must be try and get the result of the alumina. Thanks.